Hey, I'm Albin from SweejTech. I'm here to show you our new MetaSound MIDI plugin. It's now available in the Unreal Marketplace where you can install it from. Alright, so I have the editor running, and first thing we want to do is check that the plugin is enabled. So let's go Edit, Plugins, and then search for MIDI. And here's the SweejTech MetaSound MIDI plugin, and it's enabled, so that's great. After that we can head to the project settings, and at the very bottom you'll find SweejTech MetaSound MIDI. Let's click that, and these are our settings. So here I want to select my keyboard, and this should list all your connected MIDI devices. And just to make sure that it is connected and working, we can log MIDI messages, and if I press a key here, I'll get note on, note off, and turning a knob will get me CC values. So that's awesome. So let's head over to a MetaSound, and I'll change the video to my keyboard. Okay, so I prepared a simple footstep MetaSound here. So if I press play, you'll hear a footstep. So let's use our keyboard to trigger the footstep sounds. So I'll go add interface and then SweejTech MIDI simple, and that will populate the members panel here with our available inputs. So let's pull out the note on input and connect that to the on play event. So now I get footsteps when I press my keyboard. But as you hear, I get the same footstep sound every time. So let's use our note on number to fix that. And that's because the wave asset that we're getting to the wave player from my wave asset array is always looking at the index 0. So I'll use our note on number and then modulo. I'll take the length of the wave asset array, connect that, and that is to prevent trying to get an index that's outside the valid range of my array. So and my keyboard goes way beyond the length of the wave asset array, but this will prevent that. So now I get different footsteps on each key, but if I press the same one, I'll get the same footstep, but then I can simulate walking. And yeah, you can imagine the fancy visual woods forest thing we're walking in. Okay, so now I want to use different materials. You can see I have dirt here and grass here, but we always only heard dirt. So let's use one of my knobs on the MIDI controller to alter that. So then I go add interface, SweejTech MIDI control change, and that gives me these two inputs. So I'll do on update and values, and the values is an array that contains all of my CC values, so all of my knobs and sliders. So we created this map, SweejTech MIDI map control change patch. So you can use that to fetch a specific CC value. So I'll connect on update and my values array there. And then this index is what will tell the patch which CC to give to the outputs. So if I open the log here and then I pull my knob, you can see, okay, so this is CC index 10, and these are the values that knob has. If I do another knob, you can see that has CC 93 for some reason, but I want to use this, so CC 10. So I'll put 10 here, and then I'll connect the values out to the index. So that should give me, if I start the sound now, I should still get dirt because my CC value is at 0. But if I Change this to 1. I get grass footsteps. And now you've imagined a fancy visual meadow or... We also included a bunch of example content for you. So if you could open the content browser and search for Sweej. No?
You just have to open the settings and show engine content and plugin content.
Thank you. So there we go, SweejTech MetaSound MIDI content. So let's pull up the Cynthia keys. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to reach out and see you later.
SweejTech.